Alright guys, in this video we're going to be talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 3, a real honest review about the device and the cons about this device. I'll also be talking about this case with hinge protection that I got from AliExpress. I'll also be talking about this Samsung case that I've got for free when I purchased the device. Alright, if you like this video, don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, so for this device, I purchased it right on the release date, around August 27th, 2021. And it's been a solid device. I've taken good care of it. I paid full price for this device with my hard-earned money. And it feels pretty premium, solid. One of the first complaints I have about this device is the screen in the front. It's super narrow. It's kind of hard to watch videos, type, and it's just really narrow. One of the other things that's wrong with this device is the battery life. You do have to turn a couple things off, so you can make this device last a whole day. It is short on battery life. And one of the major flaws about this device is, of course, the folding screen. So I use this device as intended. I've never dropped it, and I was just using it normally in my couch, just watching videos on it like normal. And when I was unfolding it, I started seeing like a dead pixel in between the screen, and I thought it was just nothing major. And then it started. I kept using it, folding it and unfolding it, and then it started cracking. As you can see down the middle, there's this big crack. As you can see, the screen is also starting to lift. Not sure if it's this screen protector that comes with it or the whole screen is peeling, but it's happened here, right there. And you can kind of see it like cracking from the, not sure what that is. Pretty sure it's on both sides. And if you kind of fold it, you could okay, now we'll turn on. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so major flaw with this phone. Like I said, almost new, and it's broken. I filed an insurance claim on it, and the phone is out of stock. Would I buy it again? Absolutely not. I'd probably wait like another 2 generations, see if they improve the screen technology. This case that I got, I wouldn't recommend. I wouldn't recommend either of these two cases. This one, because there is no adhesive that goes with the device, so when you open it, it slides out. And the other negative about this device, this case, is that it cuts off in the screen a little bit. As you can see. Other than that, this case is pretty good. Alright, on with the next case. This case that is original from Samsung. It looks good. It feels premium. The negatives is that You know, it's really uncomfortable to hold unless you hold it like this. You know, it sticks out like that. It's super uncomfortable. It leaves this area unprotected. You know, there's like really not no card holder here or anything. You know, it's not magnetic. It just, is just like a terrible case. For $80, it's not worth it. The S Pen slides in here with another attachment that I don't have with me right now, but it's just not worth buying this case or the phone, in my opinion. And yeah, thank you for watching.